traders, and welcome back to another edition of CTFX School of Trading Market Reviews. And today is Monday the 6th of March. I hope you guys had a safe weekend. I hope you relaxed. I hope you enjoyed time off with your friends and your family and everyone. And well, I hope you just prepared for today. So today I'm looking at USD shilling franc. Okay. As you can see, the market has reached the level that I anticipated, and I'm expecting a steep decline over here, and more or less based on my technical analysis, which we understand from our class training and everything, I know more or less that even though I'm in a negative now, my confidence level is quite high based on my technical analysis that I've sort of practiced and learned, and based on our classes, I know more or less that this is going to go in my favor. Right, guys, so look, the point of these videos is more or less to get people to understand that the trading system that we use is quite simple, it's quite straightforward, and it's very, very easy to understand. And a lot of people make trading to be so complicated that you sort of lose the point of the whole program or the whole idea of trading. When you start looking at different indicators and different sort of methods and different styles of people that you see on YouTube, and or if you heard of someone that trades a specific way and you're curious to learn how to trade that way, you get caught up in all the hype and the confusion, and what happens is you basically lose yourself along the way, and you don't actually see the simplicity of finding a system that just works exactly how you expect and anticipate it to work. I'm not saying that our system is 100% accurate every single day. Okay, there are times that I make mistakes personally. I've been trading for a while, but the point is you want to find a system that's almost 80% or 90% accurate, so that you can wake up every day, approach the markets, have a look at a specific chart, or any chart in that case, and think to yourself, right, am I ready to get into a trade here? Let me do a quick analysis, which will take you at least about 5 to 10 minutes. Right, once you establish your position in the market, and once you established what the actual chart's doing or the currency pair is doing, you will dive in. Once you confirm your understanding of the market and what it's going to do in that particular sense, you can just dive in, right? Knowing very well that your trade will go in your favor at a specific time or specific level or whatever the case may be. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, our course is very simple to understand. We support our students every single day, and we show them more or less a simple route on how to profit every single day in the market using our system. And our system is very, very straightforward to understand. I mean, we have students from all over South Africa, possibly all over the world. I mean, I'm just one of the guys that trades for CTFX, and my partner's out in London, and his partner's out in New York. So those guys are basically pushing their level of service on that side as well. But fact is, all over South Africa, a lot of people are looking for a different way to trade, something easy to understand and something somehow simple to approach. And that's exactly what we're providing here. The system that we use is very, very uncomplicated. You more or less just stick to a set of rules that we show you and coach you on how to do and how to follow. And all you're doing is reaping the rewards, right? Every day I got guys asking me for signals. It's against our company policy to provide signals to clients, and part of the reason is we don't want you to learn to rely on signals, because signals is not specifically what we deal with. I mean, we can make a killing dealing with signals only. I mean, I've spoken to my partner and said, hey, why don't we just start a signal group, because a lot of guys wants to learn signals. And then the upside and the downside to that is simply that if you start becoming reliant on signals, okay, yes, you'll make some money. But if you don't know the rules to apply to actually use those signals, then there's no actual point of taking the signal, because the signal or the trade could go in the opposite direction for a very quick period of time, perhaps up until this level over here, and then once it hits your stop loss or whatever you have over there, or maybe you go into a drawdown and you don't have enough capital in your account, it will wipe your account out and you won't have any more money to trade, you know? And then eventually it goes in your favor, right? Use this one for example. Let's say this was a signal that I gave out, okay? You've got $50 in your account and you want to basically trade 0.10 lot size. If that trade goes minus 5 points or 15 points against you, it will wipe your account out and then eventually go in your favor. Is that really what you truly want? Uncertainty. You're relying on a trade signal from someone that you know knows how to trade, but also knows the rules of the game and knows how to trade. That's a completely different scenario than understanding how to trade yourself, taking a signal, understanding risk management, and knowing what to use in terms of what lot sizes, etc. Right? I just wanted to give you guys some sort of awareness in this video. Apart from the fact that most of my students are taking this trade because I'm taking it, you know, I send out these kind of trade alerts to my students that I know and I have confidence that they know what they're doing based on what we teach them. Okay? So guys, please, signals and learning to trade is a completely different story. And here at CTFX, we actually encourage you to learn how to trade first. Learn a method, understand it, and then find your own signals. That's essentially what we're trying to achieve. Okay? Alright guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I just wanted to get you to see what we're doing over here. This is what we do every day. And, you know, we take positions in the market that we understand will go in our favor based on our technical analysis, based on our understanding of the market. And I'll get back to you and I'll show you how this trade went. I'm just going to put some markers in here so you guys can see more or less where I got into this trade. And let's just leave that over there. And I'm anticipating a long-term drop to this area over here, which is about $727. I've got about 4 positions in on this one trade on its own. And we'll see how this plays out throughout the day. Alright guys, I'll chat to you guys later. Have a nice day and don't stress. Drink some coffee. Right guys, welcome back. It's 10:16 a.m. on the 6th of March 2017. And just to give you an update on that US dollar Swiss franc trade that I took this morning, I wanted to show you guys exactly what I was talking about. Okay, if you remember correctly, or you can go back on this video, you can see that I got in on this level over here. Now as you can see, I got in a bit early and the market kind of messed with my head for a good hour or two, right? And this is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to signals. All right, signals will give you, let's say, hey, jump into a trade now, but if you're not prepared for what happens up here, you will get scared out of that trade and potentially miss out on the bigger picture, which is what's happening right now. You see that I'm up 11 pips. It's around $95 at the moment if you add this up, and I'm anticipating a very steep drop down to this area over here, which is 464. Now 464 with 4 of my trades in here. Let's do the math on that. Oops, not that one. Calculator. 464, multiply that by 4. Okay, 464 times 4. It gives me about $1,800 for the day. All right, so I'm gonna leave this in. If I feel, like I tell you guys, if you're in this trade with me, if I feel that I don't want to be in this trade anymore and I hit a target of about $400 or $500, I'll close it. Simple as that. You know, I'll take the rest of the day off. I got other things to do as well. I'm not going to sit in front of my screen all day and trade. Okay, but this is just my point here, guys. Do not complicate trading, man. Trading is very simple, and we make it simpler for you. I mean, we've been through a lot to understand what we actually need to teach you to understand how to trade successfully, all right, on a daily. I mean, you can go back on our YouTube videos. You can see every day I come in more or less this time to give you guys an update on what potential trades to take or what I'm taking. And every day I walk away in profit. You see that? I'm on $250 already. Alright? $250. Alright guys, very simple. Don't complicate your lives. We're here to coach you. We're here to help you to get to where you want to be financially in this game, in this business, and we will train you until you actually reach the level of success that you want to achieve. And we don't turn anyone away. If you need help, we're here. Give us a call, send us a message on WhatsApp. Every day we're online, and I'm basically giving everyone more or less the trades that I take so that you can profit with me, you know, guys. That's, I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest with you. I mean, this trading system is so simple. I mean, I'm doing it every day, and if you're not convinced yet, just go back on the videos from when I started, I think about 10 or 15 videos ago, and you can see I'm doing more or less the same thing every day, every single day. Now imagine you can do this. It's very easy once you understand the rules, once you got the proper guidance, once you got the proper training. You can't, you got an 80% chance of constantly gaining these amount of pips or this amount of money every day. What is so hard to comprehend about that? Guys, I'm just trying to give you the difference between taking a signal and actually understanding the market movements, and taking the time to understand it and actually work with it so that you can prosper on your own. Okay, don't rely on signals. I'm not saying signals are bad. Okay, I'm just trying to teach you that, you know, there's a saying that says, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day, but teach him how to fish and he'll eat for a lifetime. Because that's the point of what we're trying to achieve here. We're trying to teach people how to trade so they can make their own fish or catch their own fish. You with me? Guys, that's my update for today. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you take into consideration what I'm saying here and actually apply it in your trading. And if you want to get involved with the course, give me a shout. Send us an email or just send me a message on WhatsApp if you don't have my details. I'm here for you guys, so just let me know when you're ready to get involved, and we'll make the arrangements properly for you. All right guys, have a safe day, have a safe trading day, have a nice day, and enjoy until tomorrow, which I will send out another video. So I'm sitting on $215 right now, guys. I'll let it go until at least this level here. My target is about $1,800 for the day. I'm pretty certain that I'll reach something close to that. I'm not jumping the gun here, but if I see something potentially going wrong, or that will just waste my time throughout the day, where I could be like taking a walk or something, I will just get out of the trading profit, $250, $300 plus. Alright guys, that's the attitude you should adopt, and once you learn the system, once you learn the strategy, you will see how easy it is to adopt this kind of mindset, and you can do exactly what I do every single day. Have a nice day guys, and we will talk soon, probably tomorrow. Alright guys, chat to you later.